Hi dears, happy morning. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya online class. Today our class, Term 1, class 5th standard, subject Maths, chapter 1, topic Geometry, subtopic Reflection Symmetry. Today we will learn about reflection symmetry. Dear students, previous classes we learnt 3D shapes and rotational symmetry. Now I will ask some questions about that. First question, what are the 3D shapes? Second question, cube and cuboid have same properties? Say yes or no. Third question, draw any shape for 1 by 4 turn, 1 by 2 turn, 1 by 3 turn, next 1 by 6 turn. Shall we go to see the answer? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere given here. These are called 3D shapes. Next, cube and cuboid has same properties. Yes, both are having same properties. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Both are having same properties. Shall we go to next question? It's a square. It has 4 sides. It is an example of 1 by 4 turn. Next, it is a 6-side shape. It is an example of 1 by 2 turn. It looks like a fan wings. It is an example of 1 by 3 turn. Next example, it looks like a sun. It is an example of 1 by 6 turn. Today, we will learn about reflection symmetry. Students, do you see the mirror? When standing, see your image in the mirror. Observe your image in the mirror. When you moving back and confront to the mirror again, what do you see? Your image and your mirror image are same size. Yes, your image and your mirror image are same size. Next, when you go back, your image is moving dash. Backward or forward? Backward. When you go back, your image is moving backward. Next, the distance between you and mirror and the distance between you and your image is equal. Do you have mirror in your house? You are having, go and stand in front of the mirror. Now we discussed some points. First, when you come forward to the mirror, your image is moving dash. Forward or backward? Your time starts now. Answer, forward. Next, when you raise your right hand, the image in the mirror looks like dash. Right or left? Your time starts now. Answer, left. Next, when you raise your left hand, the image in the mirror looks like dash hand. Right or left? Right hand. Now we consider the letter D. First D as an object. Second D as an image. Next we go to see the alphabets and its mirror images. The capital letters A to Z and its mirror images also given here. Watch carefully. Take some time. Now all observed? Okay, students. Then we will see the numerals and its mirror images. The numbers 1 to 9 and its mirror images also given here. Watch carefully. Okay, students. Now we discuss some points. Both object and image are equal size in the mirror. Both object and image are equal size in the mirror. Next, the object and image are equal distance from the reflection axis. At last point, if the shape of object direction is left to right, then the image on the mirror has changed as right to left. Dear students, today your activity. Draw some of your favorite shapes and its reflection images. Then write the alphabets and its mirror images. Tomorrow you should complete this activity. Next we will go to see the lines of symmetry. What is lines of symmetry? Answer. When a line divides a given figure into two equal halves, matching exactly, then we say that the figure is symmetrical about the line. This line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. For example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a symmetrical monument. Students, what is it? Anybody know the answer? Yes, it is the Taj Mahal. Okay, where it is located? It is located in Delhi. Taj Mahal is a symmetrical monument and it has one line of symmetry. Yes, now we divide the Taj Mahal vertically in center. Both sides are matching exactly about the line. This line is called line of symmetry. Yes, Taj Mahal is a symmetrical monument and it has one line of symmetry. Example, some shapes and letters are given here. We find the lines of symmetry. First one, square. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Yes, vertically 1, horizontally 1, diagonally 2. So, totally 4 lines of symmetry. Next, rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Vertically 1, horizontally 1, so totally 2 lines of symmetry. Students, what is it? Everybody know the answer. Yes, it is an apple. Apple has no line of symmetry. Yes, both sides are unequal. So, apple has no line of symmetry. It is a butterfly. Butterfly has one line of symmetry in vertically. Find the lines of symmetry for English letter A. A has one line of symmetry in vertically. Yes, A has only one line of symmetry in vertically. Next, number 0. 0 has 2 lines of symmetry. One vertically, one horizontally. So, totally 2 lines of symmetry. Now, our precious time for recall. I ask some questions. What is mirror image? The image one see in the mirror, it can be reflected in the mirror. It is called mirror image. Once again, the image when we see in the mirror, it can be reflected in the mirror. It is called mirror image. Recall for lines of symmetry. What is lines of symmetry? When a line divides a given figure into two equal halves, match it exactly, then we say that the figure is symmetrical about the line. This line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Okay students, today your homework page number 12 and 13. Draw the lines of symmetry for the following figures. Then count and write the number of lines. First one, square, 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry. Triangle, 3 lines of symmetry. Arrow mark symbol, 1 line of symmetry. Umbrella, no line of symmetry. Tree, no line of symmetry. Plus symbol, 2 lines of symmetry. Hexagon, 6 lines of symmetry. Diamond shape, 2 lines of symmetry. Funnel, no line of symmetry. Okay students, do it correctly. Thank you.